In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with PenFed Credit Union. If you've recently joined PenFed Credit Union or are planning to manage your finances online, this tutorial will guide you through every step of the process. Let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and heading over to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type PenFed. The official link to the PenFed Credit Union should appear among the top results. Click on the link entitled PenFed Credit Union, Checking, Savings, Auto, Credit Cards, which will take you directly to their homepage. Once you're on the PenFed homepage, the next step is to click on the Join Now button. You'll usually find it prominently displayed on the homepage as PenFed emphasizes the ease of getting started with them. This will navigate you to a new page where you can begin the process of setting up your account. Now seek out and click on Open Now, which is typically linked to their membership benefits section. This is where you can review the myriad of perks that come with being a member, from savings and checking accounts to loans and credit cards. It's helpful to briefly familiarize yourself with these options as they can provide significant financial benefits. If you're already a member and are merely aiming to set up your online banking credentials, locate and click on I'm a member. This should take you to the sign-in page. At this point, you'll need to type in your username. Remember to choose a unique username that you can easily remember, but isn't too obvious to ensure your security. If this is your first time setting up online banking, you'll create this username during registration. After entering your username, the next step is typing in your password. Your password should meet PenFed security requirements. It's usually a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. If you're setting this up for the first time, make sure to write down your password in a secure place, or consider using a password manager to easily track all your credentials. That's it. You have now set up your PenFed Credit Union online banking account. From here, you can explore their online banking tools, view your account balances, transfer funds, and much more. Managing your finances online with PenFed Credit Union is efficient and secure, giving you the freedom to focus on what matters most. If you encounter any issues along the way, PenFed's customer support is readily available to assist you. Simply reach out to them via their contact page or visit the FAQ section on their website for more detailed guidance. Thank you for following this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and are ready to manage your finances with ease.